Why can I see debris, like little specks floating in the water at night when I go swimming when the light is on? Maybe during the day you don't notice this so much, or maybe even not at all, but at night you're like, holy cow, it's crazy with the amount of stuff floating around. Is there a problem with my swimming pool? And the short answer is no, there's probably nothing wrong with your pool. In fact, it's very common to see this. So, if we wanted to unpack this a little bit further from a technical perspective, I would ask you, what kind of filter does your swimming pool have? There's diatomaceous earth filters. I bet you don't have one of them. Not that they're that uncommon, it's just that they're the bee's knees when it comes to very fine particulate removal from swimming pools. So you probably don't have that. Cartridge filters, next finest particulate removal. You could have one of those, but I bet you don't, because if you're seeing a lot of debris in the water at night, it's because you're not capturing the fine material. Maybe you're capturing the larger physical material, but there's still a lot of fine material that's not getting captured. And that's very common if you have a sand filter. Number 20 graded silica sand is actually very effective at pool water filtration, and it's kind of like the de facto standard for entry level or economical pool filters. But you know where a sand pool filter is really going to fall short? It's not the hydraulic efficiency, though it definitely does fall short of other options for that. Where you really notice a sand filter is swimming at night when you have your pool light on. You're going to see so many little tiddly bits floating around there, and it's just normal. There's no dysfunction with your pool system happening. It's just that the type of filter you have is the more economical option. You didn't go with the much more expensive, like 3 times more expensive for a cartridge filter than a similarly sized sand filter. But you do have 3 times finer particulate removal, and you probably would be seeing a lot less of those floaties floating around in your pool if you were to upgrade to a high quality, quad filter element cartridge filter versus a sand filter with number 20 graded silica sand. I mean, you could also look at going to a glass media for your sand filter, which is going to provide you rather enhanced particulate removal versus number 20 graded silica sand, maybe even as much or better than a cartridge filter. But you still would be stuck with the relatively poor hydraulic design of a sand filter versus the more advanced hydraulic design of a cartridge filter, which is the direction that I tend to lean. If you're seeing a lot of particulate in your pool water at night and it's bothering you and you want to do something about it, probably look at switching to your glass media in your sand filter, upgrading to a cartridge filter, or potentially even a DE filter. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.